Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See, we were doing the coordination, okay, in last tutorial. So we will continue. See, the file which we save is coordination, okay, because we were doing the class detection. If you have not watched that video, then go and watch first, okay. See here, the file extension is Naviswork file, okay. So we can open directly and it will be open in Naviswork, okay. Okay, now it's open, okay. So here we checked in previous tutorial two classes, okay. First one is chilled water return versus supply air duct, okay. So we found there is no any class. Second one, we check supply air duct versus structure, okay, and we found two classes, okay. Here we found two classes, so we will solve this one, okay. Here result, we click here result, then here we will find, see, two classes, okay, two classes, right. Also we can do the setting of here. I think in previous tutorial already I explained about this tab, right. Now see, if we found here a lot of classes, okay, so we have to assign that task to a particular department, okay. So how we will assign and make the report? Before solving these classes, we cannot do the class and solve, okay, because it will take time. There is a particular team for the every work, okay. So we will assign that work to a particular department, a particular person or employee, okay. So suppose this is a duct, okay, so it will come in HVAC team, okay, HVAC department. So we have to assign, okay. Suppose here class 1 we have to assign, so here the assign tab, okay, we will click the assign tab. Assign to whom? If we want to assign a particular person or employee, we can mention the name, okay, or team. So I mention here HVAC, okay, team. Here we can write whatever we wanted to, okay. I write just do the needful, okay, and okay, okay. So here it is assigned, see, assigned to HVAC team, okay. Similarly, the class 2, here the class 2 we can also assign here HVAC team, and same comment I mentioned, do the needful, okay. So here the HVAC team, the two tasks I assign to whom? HVAC team, okay. If it is multiple tasks, then we will select, click and press the shift and place the last one classes, okay, so that all classes will be selected at a time, and we can make the group here, see, group selected classes, right. So we can make it group and assign at a time, okay, no need to assign one by one, right. Since we have only two classes, so I show you, okay, shown you. So I assign to HVAC team. Now we already assign the classes to a particular department. Okay, now how I will generate the report, okay, and send to that department, right? So we will come here in report here, okay, and content, whatever content I want to select, I also recommend leave it as default, selected all the contents, okay, and also this one no need to change. And report type, current test or all test, okay, I select current test. And report format, which format we wanted to generate our report, in XML or HTML, text as viewpoints, whatever, okay. I select HTML tabular, okay, and write the report where we wanted to save text up, okay, supply air duct versus structure report, okay. Now we will go to here is the generated report, okay. Now we will click and here is our report generated, okay. See, class name class 1, okay, and grade location whatever you can read this one, okay. Assigned to whom? HVAC department. See, this is the thing I wrote, okay. And the two classes is item 1 and item 2, okay. So element ID given, I will show you that how to search via element ID in Revit, okay. And layer name is the ground floor SSL, it means structural slab level, right? This is the layer name. And item name is the rectangular duct, okay. So rectangular duct is classing here, the rectangular duct is classing with item 2, item name with concrete cast in place gray, okay. So it's clear in the report that rectangular duct is classing with concrete, it means a structure, right? Where is this concrete location? First floor, okay, structural slab level, okay. The first floor structural level is classing with the rectangular duct, okay. Where is the rectangular duct? For which floor? The rectangular duct is for ground floor, right? It's classing with structure, okay. Now it's clear. And comment, what is the comment? Assigned to HVAC department, okay, HVAC team. And what is the comment? Do the needful. So we have to do the needful accordingly, okay. Similarly the class 2 is same thing, okay. So now we will generate the report and now we can send this via email to that particular department, okay. So it's good. Now it's clear that how to generate the report, okay. Now let's come here, okay. Okay, now here is the, suppose I am the HVAC department team, I am the employee which who will solve this classes, okay. So I will receive this email, okay, that this one thing is classes, this one, okay. So also I can request to send all the file, okay. So the next guy will send this file, okay, Naviswork file, okay. So I will open directly okay, and we will open this one. So the same thing will be open tab, okay. So how we will solve now? We will not search one by one through the element ID, right? Here we will come class 1. Okay, we will come here class 1. Okay, and here see the switch back. Okay, remember this is the switch back tab. Okay, button, it's important. Okay, so now suppose I receive this file. Now I am going to solve this class 1. Okay, so before solving this class, what was our file? My file was created in Revit. Okay, remember my file was created in Revit here, as all this file was created in Revit, right? So I will open firstly Revit. Okay, here simply I will open the Revit. See, here I simply open my Revit. Okay, I did not open any project, right? Anything I did not open, simply I open the Revit. Okay, now here I will come here home. Okay, we can also click Ctrl plus D. Here we will come. Okay, and here I will click add in and external tools. Okay, if you don't know how to install, then I already given the link, and also I make already one video regarding this external tool. Okay, so here we will come, and this Naviswork switchback 2023, simply we will click one time. Okay, I click one time, khalas. Okay, now I click one time and we will return in Naviswork manage. Okay, and here class 1 I want to solve, so I will click class 1 and here I will come. Okay, switch back and we will click here one time. Okay, see my Revit, here it's showing red. Okay, here it's showing red. It means this file is opening in our Revit. Okay, we can come here in Revit, see it's opening. See, automatically it will open in Revit file. Okay, see, and also see the tab automatically open Naviswork switchback tab. Okay, and this is our duct which is clashing. Okay, but it's not showing clear, right? So I will come here ground floor, because our duct is on ground floor. So here I will click ground floor and see where is my duct which is clashing. See, already it's selected. Okay, here already it's selected, so no need to search. Okay, through the element ID. Here see, select by ID, no need to search through ID. Okay, it will show automatically here that this duct is clashing, right? How it's clashing? See, already selected. We can see. Now we will solve this one. Okay, so here we will come and selection box. Okay, see, see, this is our slab. Okay, and this is our duct. It's clearly here. It's clearly clashes. Okay, clashing. That's why it's showing. Okay, here. So now how we will solve? We will solve easily. Okay, we'll make our duct a little bit down or changes of root. Okay, okay. Also, if you will check, then our ear terminal is also clashing with this structure, right? So also we will solve this one. Okay, here we will click, simply drag, pressing the shift button. Okay, so our duct will be come and clicking this one, press the navigation button from the keyboard. Okay, we can solve this one like this. Okay, whatever you prefer, you can solve. Okay, also if we come here, then see too much gap between our ceiling and this duct. Okay, so I will make this duct here little bit down. Okay, from here, and we can pass through this wall, right? It's simple. So I will come in ground floor here, here, modify, split. Okay, here simply split, and this one. Okay, delete this, delete, and this one delete, right? Select. Okay, so I deleted. We can see also in our 3D, right? Or this piece also we can delete, no issue. Okay, here we will come, press the tab button, we can select all the duct. Okay, what is the elevation? Firstly we will check the elevation of this duct. What is the elevation? See, 3334, right? So I make this one, I make this one this duct I make simply, okay, make it down, right? And check now. See, still too much gap. Okay, and from structural is too much gap, right? Here also. Okay, we can align this air terminal here. Okay, see, our ceiling is up and our air terminal is above the ceiling. Okay, so also we can align, no issue. Okay, to the ceiling, and also this gap is too much, right? Now we will come here or here, and we can drag. If it will connect, then it's good. Okay, see, we can check in our 3D. See, like this offset it's made. Okay, here it means what is the good way you can solve the classes. Okay, right? So I solve this one. Okay, now what we have to do, again we have to, this file here, the section box we will unselect. Okay, see, the section box we will unselect. Remember, I solve this class. After solving this class, we will again export this file in the same file which we solve in existing. Okay, so this file we will replace with the existing file, right? See, okay, there is no any section box. Okay, so now we will come here, adding external tool and Naviswork. Okay, the same HVAC model NWC automatically name it's taken. Okay, here HVAC model, this is the previous model. Okay, so we will replace this one. Okay, HVAC, see, already exists. Do you want to replace? Yes. See, simply I solve. Okay, and export in our existing file. Now what we will do, we will come again in our Naviswork here. Okay, and here I will make the refresh. Okay, F5. See, our class is still showing class 1 and class 2. Okay, but here see, total class is 2. Okay, here I will refresh. Okay, see, I refresh. Okay, and here retest. Here I will come. Okay, here is again we'll select supply air duct versus structure. Okay, here I will select and retest. See, one time I did refresh and retest. Okay, so the color is changes here. Okay, it means here it's showing. See, here okay, classes was 2. Okay, and active is only 1, and resolved here is 1. Okay, so I resolve our one class. Okay, yes, class 1. Okay, so class 1 I resolved. Similarly, yellow color is showing is resolved. Similarly, this class 2 we can resolve. Okay, select this one and make the switch back and again solve this one. Okay, after solving this one, again switch back in Naviswork manage. Okay, so that similarly and following this way you can solve all the classes. Okay, after making classes you can generate the report. Okay, here and send to the department. Okay, see here status. What is the status of the classes? One is active and one is resolved. Okay, so after resolving all the classes it will show resolve and generating like this report, and you can share. Okay, so I hope that you got some idea that how to make the class detection test and how to resolve this one. Okay, so we will see in next video. Okay, in next tutorial. If you learn something from this video, then of course you can subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.